Hi, my name is Letecia, personal trainer from SNU, your fitness and therapy experts. Today we're going to talk about the side lunge, how to perform it, and 3 common mistakes that you should avoid. The side lunge is a really good lower body exercise that is performed laterally and uses all the stabilizer muscles in the lower leg. So the muscles that are involved in this exercise include the quadricep, the adductors, the abductors, hamstring, and the glute. One of the common mistakes for this exercise is that people put their chest down while performing it. So when you're doing this exercise, you want to make sure that you're sitting up nice and tall, your core is engaged, and you're going down nice and slow, keeping your chest all the way up, and your head is aligned with your spine at all times. Should you go back down again? Good, all the way back up. The second common mistake while performing a side lunge is that people like to put all the weights into the front of their foot. As you can see, Sarah's putting all the weight into the front of her foot and her heel's coming off the ground. So to change this, you want to make sure that they put the weight all in their heels, they sit all the way back, good, and come all the way back up. The weight should always be on the back side of your foot. The third common mistake for this exercise is that sometimes people don't really drive their hips all the way back. So as you can see, Sarah's putting the weight back into the front and her knees passing her toes. So to fix this, you want to drive your hips all the way back. Once again, put the weight onto your heels and make sure that your knee does not pass your toes. You should go all the way down, drive your hips all the way back. Good, and all the way back up. Just like any other exercise, when performing a side lunge, you want to focus on proper form and technique, just so you can prevent any type of injury and receive all the benefits from this exercise. Once you master this exercise, you can further progress into grabbing a heavier weight or going into different variations of a side lunge. Once again, my name is Letecia from SNU, and you're one strategy away from crushing your fitness goals.